Hi friends, how are you today? Today we're gonna take the sound of some letters. We're gonna take the sound of the letter G, H, I, J, K, and the letter L. The sound of G, G, G. Say it again. The sound of G, G, G. The sound of H, great. Say it again. The sound of H, great job. The sound of I, I. The sound of I, I. The sound of J, 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 J. The sound of J, 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 J. Great job. The sound of K, K, K. The sound of K, K, K. Great, excellent. The sound of L, L, L. Great. Say it again and repeat after me. The sound of G, G, G. The sound of H, H, H. The sound of I, I. The sound of J, 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 J. The sound of K, K, K. The sound of L, L, L. Great job. Yeah, that's it. Now let's read. Ant. The sound of A, A like ant. The sound of B, B, baby. It's a baby. Great job. Excellent. The sound of C, ka, 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 ka. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yeah, that's right. It's a cow. Great job. A cow. Great job. The sound of D, D. The sound of D, D. Great job. Like a drum. The sound of E, the sound of E, great job. It's an eagle. The sound of F, like a fox. Okay, excellent. We read again. Repeat after me. Ant. Baby. Cow. Drum. Eagle. Cat. Dog. Apple. A bag. It's a bag. Elephant. A fire. A fire. Sound of F. Fire. Fire. Great job. Let's read. Lamp. 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 Sound of L. Ooh. Ooh. Guitar. Guitar. Sound of G. 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 Grass. 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 Lion. 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 Ice cream. Ice cream. It's a kite. Kite. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Thank you, my friends. I was so fun learning with you today. We learn about the sound of some letters like G, H, I, J, K, and L. We have making a revision about the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. Great job. Thank you, my friends. Love you so much. Like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Bye bye.